how to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC or Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your browser, search for Adobe Suite, open up the very first link in the search results and this is where it will take you. Now open up all the Adobe products and here you would be able to find the Photoshop. In case if you're not able to find it, then simply search for it. Then open it up and wait for it to load. Now click on this option of free trial, then wait for it to load, then select the option of Photoshop and you would get it for 7 days for absolutely free. And in case if you are looking for a heavy discount on Creative Cloud, simply open up students and teachers and get it for a heavy discount, and it is more than 50%. Also, you don't have to prove that you are a student or a teacher. So in case if you are looking for discount, then this is the way. If you are looking for a free trial, then just go for this one. So these are the legal ways to get it for free. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.